Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making a delicious fruit custard. Let's get started. In a pot on medium-high heat, add in your milk and sugar and bring to a boil. Then transfer half of the mixture to another bowl and add in your custard powder, followed by additional milk. Next, pour your mixture back into the saucepan and cook for an additional 5 minutes on a medium-high heat until it becomes thick. Now transfer your custard to a bowl and begin adding your sliced fruit toppings. I have grapes, bananas, and strawberries. Make sure to give it a stir to combine your custard and fruits. Refrigerate this for at least 2 hours as we want our custard to set. And it's ready. Garnish this with additional fruits and nuts. I'm using strawberries, grapes, dates, sliced almonds, and crushed pistachios. Try this light and chilled fruit custard on a hot summer day. Thanks for watching and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new recipes. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the description.